C12, May 16, question number 11. Wheat is to be grown on a farm. A model predicts that the mass of the wheat harvested on the farm will increase by 1.5% per year, so that the mass of the wheat harvested each year forms a geometric sequence. Given that the mass of the wheat harvested during year 1 is 6,000 tons, show that according to the model, the mass of the wheat harvested on the farm during the year 4 will be approximately 6,274 tons. So this is making a geometric series. So the first term here is 6,000 and the common ratio is it's 1.5%. 1.5% means 1.5 over 100. So that is 0.015. So it is increasing, so R will be 1. This is the most important point here to be noted. R is equal to 1.015. It is increasing. Had it been decreasing, it should be negative. Now we have to find, it's a geometric series, so after 4 years. So the fourth term of a geometric series is AR cube. So that is 6,000. R is 1.015 cube. So if you calculate, this will be 6274.07025. We have to approximately, so this is approximately 6274 tons. This is part A. The part B. During year N, this particular year he is talking about, not N years, during particular year N, according to the model, there is predicted to be more than 8,000 tons of wheat harvested. Find the smallest possible value of N. Let that particular year is N. So 8,000 tons will be equal to 6,001.015 is to the power N. N is a number to be calculated. So we can cancel this. So 6 over 8 is equal to 1.015 is to the power N. Let's take log of both sides. Six over it can be written as 3 over 4 is equal to N ln 1.015. So N will be ln 3 over 4 divided by ln 1.015, and that is 20.3. so that is 21. The smallest possible value is 21. Part C. Assuming the model find the total amount that it would cost to harvest the wheat from year 1 to year 10 inclusive. Assuming the model. Give your answer to nearest 1000. So first term, the wheat is 6,000 tons and the 5 pounds per ton we are paying. So total what we are paying is 30,000. Find the total amount that it would cost to harvest the wheat. So this is the one. A is this, then N is 10 from year 1 to year 10 inclusive. So we have Sn, that is 10, A, r to the power n minus 1 over 1 minus r, and r is equal to 1.015. So A is 30,000. This is also making a geometric series, so always remember this. The amount is being paid on per ton, so first, second, third, and is starting from 30,000. So 30,000 first term, then second term, then third term. So it's a arithmetic series. R to the power n, r is 1.015 to the power 10 minus 1 over 1 minus, this is r minus 1, not 1 minus r. So this will be r minus 1. So that is, r is 1.015 minus 1. So that is equal to 321,000. So that is the answer for this. Figure shows a sketch of curve C with equation y is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 18. The point 4, 6 lie on C. Point P, this is 4 and 6. Use calculus to show that the normal to C at the point P has equation. We have to find the equation of normal. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus dx over dy x minus x1. We have to find at the point P. So at point P, x is 4, so x1 is 4, y1 is 6. We don't know what is dy over dx, so let's calculate dy over dx of the equation. So that will be 3x square minus 9 times 2 is 18x plus 26. We have to find at this point where x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, dy over dx is 3 multiply 4 square minus 18 multiply 4 plus 26. So that is, so this is 48 plus 26 minus 72. So this is 74 minus 72 is equal to 2. So now we have this equation. Y minus y1 is 6 is equal to dx over dy is minus half, x minus x1 is 4. So 2y minus 6 times 2 is 12 is equal to minus x plus 4. So 2y minus x will become plus x is equal to, this is 4 and 12, so it will be 16. So that is what we are supposed to prove. 2y plus x is equal to 16. The reason are this one. is bounded by the curve C and the x-axis and the normal. These three things. One is this line, and one is this curve. Show that the C cuts the x-axis at 1, 0. So this point is saying is 1, 0. So we put y is equal to 0 in this equation. So we have y is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 18. It's saying y is equal to 0. So if it is cutting at x, put x is equal to 1, we can get 0. Not that y is equal to 0, because it's already given, so we have to show this is a factor. So what we are going to do is that put x is equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 9 times 1 square plus 26 multiply 1 minus 18. So 26 plus 1 is 20. 26 plus 1, 18 and 9, 27. 26 and 1, 27, yes, plus 18 and 9, 27. So we get y is equal to 0. So it means 1 and 0. These are the coordinates of this point. Show all your working, use calculus to find the exact area of R. This is 1 and 0. This is 4 and 6. This distance we don't know. We have to find this area R. This is 4. So this is 4. So this is now the area under the curve. And this is the area of a triangle. Now area under the curve plus area under the triangle. So area R is equal to integral 1 to 4. The equation is x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 18 plus area of this triangle, half into this coordinate is 6. It means the y is 6. So this one is 6. And what is this point? This is 6. So what it will be? The equation of a normal is 2y. The equation of this normal is 2y plus x is equal to 16. So here y is 0. So x is equal to 16. So this is 16 and 0. This total length is, this is 4. So this one is 12. So it's so this one is 3. So this area is 36. Now let's calculate this area. So that one is x to the power 4 over 4 minus 9 x cube over 3 plus 26x square over 2 minus 18x. that is 1 to 4. So this is x to the power 4 over 4 minus 3x cube plus 13x square minus 18x 1 to 4. Now put value 4 is to the power 4 over 4 minus 3 4 cube over 4 cube, that's all, plus 13 multiply 4 square minus 18 multiply 4 minus lower value, this is 1 over 4 minus 3 plus 13 minus 18. So it means this is equal to 64 minus this is 4 to the power 3, that is 64 multiplied 3, so that is 192 plus 13 multiply 16, that is 208 minus 18 multiply 4, that is 72, minus 1 over 4 minus 3 minus 18 plus 13 is minus 8. (64) plus 208, so this is 8 minus the value of this is 8 minus 1 over 4 plus 8, so that is 63 over 4. So total area will be 63 over 4 plus 36, the area of the triangle, so that is 51.75. It is centimeter square, whatever is square, it's a unit square. Question number 13. Show that 5 cos x plus 1 is equal to sin x 10x. So 5 cos x plus 1 is equal to sin x, and 10x can be written as sin x over cos x. Now multiply each term by cos. So this is 5 cos square x plus cos x. This is sin square x, can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So this is 5 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 plus cos square x is equal to 0. So 5 cos square x plus cos square x will be 6 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So that is what we were supposed to prove. This is part A. And part B. Hence solve 5 cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to sin 2 theta tan 2 theta, and theta is greater than equal to 0 and less than 180. Let 2 theta is equal to x. So it can be written as 5 cos x plus 1 is equal to sin x tan x. So this is 0 2 theta 360, 0 x 360. That's how we are going to change the lower limit and the upper limits. Now this question is, it can be written as 6 cos square x plus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we simplify it, it's a quadratic. 6a square plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So its factors will be 3a minus 1 and 2a plus 1. So it will be cos a will be 1 over 3 and cos a will be minus 1 over 2. So a is 1 over 3. Cos inverse 1 over 3 is 70.53. AST C. So fourth quadrant 289.47, and this one A will be 120 and 240. A is 2 theta, so theta will be all divided by 2, because our original limit is from 0 to 180, and that is the answer. So theta is this by 2, this by 2, and that is by 2. So that is the answer for this. Question number 14. Figure shows the sketch of a circle C1. The point 14 and 78 lie on C1. So this is 14 and 78. AB is the diameter. This is A and this is B. So part A, coordinates of center of C1. This is the diameter. So 1 plus 7 over 2 and 4 plus 8 over 2. This is 8 over 2 is 4. This is 12 over 2 is 6. So this coordinate is 4 and 6. Find the exact radius. Now we have to find the radius is this distance. Let this is O. So distance between 4, 6 and 7, 8 is equal to root 4 minus 7 square plus 6 minus 8 square. So that is root 4 minus 7 is 3 square is 9 plus 6 minus 8 is 2 square is 4. So that is R. So radius is, center is 4, 6 and radius is 13. The two distinct circles C1 C2 and C3 each have center O. So we have a circle from here. 1, 2, 3. Anyway. Find the equation of C1 and the equation of C2. Part C. First part. Because this is at the center, so x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square, both the circle, whatever circle is there. If the circle is this, circle is this, if center is 0, the difference is going to make is the radius. The circle touches, given that each circle touches C1. Now if it is touching C1, let's say the circle is this. This is touching C1. Now this is the radius. So the radius of this is, what is the distance between these 2 points? This is C2. This is 0. This is O. This is 4, 6. So distance between 0 and 4, 6 is, this is O. Let this is, make it D or something, or D. So 4 minus 0 square plus 6 minus 0 square. This is root 16 plus 36. This is 52. So this complete distance is root 52, and the radius of this circle is root 13. So this distance is root 52 minus root 13. So it will be root 52 minus root 13 square, and this distance is, another circle will go like this. We'll touch here and go something like this. This is the center, so this is going to be the circle. Now its radius is this. Root 52 is up to here plus 13. So this will be root 52 plus root. So it will be x square plus y square is equal to root 52 minus 13 square, or x square plus y square is equal to root 52 plus 13 square. So this is for C2 and this is for C3. That is the equation of circle C1 and the equation of circle C2.